If you have an unusable space in your lawn where water collects, a French drain may be the solution. First, dig a hole from where the water is pooling to where you would like it relocated. This hole must be 1 foot deep by 10 inches wide. Next, line this hole with a filter cloth that will prevent the soil from migrating into your French drain. Add 2 inches of stone to the bottom of your hole. Place a perforated pipe with a filter sock around it on top of your stone. Fill in around this pipe and 2 inches above it with more stone. Compact the stone and place more filter cloth on top of your French drain. Add 2 inches of soil on top of everything to bring your installation back up to grade. Replace the sod and you're done. Your 4-inch pipe will now relocate all water before your puddle surfaces again. If you do not have a desirable space lower in elevation to relocate your water, you may need to contact a professional to design a more complicated water collection system. This time-lapse video is of a 7 foot wide by 7 foot deep by 28 foot long water dissipation system we installed on a more challenging site. This pit was so large we needed 2 bobcats, one to dig the hole and the other to relocate material and assist the first operator in building himself back up and out of the hole. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, check out the Connect tab on our site to read the full article as well as a couple dozen more articles on other landscape topics.